Hey everyone, Johnny from Diode Dynamics. Today we'll be showing you how to install our new bolt-on SS3 grill kit like you see here on this 2023 Can-Am Maverick X3. At the front, remove the hood cover by firmly grabbing the piece and pulling away starting at the top left side and set aside. Using a 10mm wrench, remove the two bolts at the bottom of the grill and release the two push clips after. Remove the grill and set aside. Now we're ready to assemble our SS3s. Drop the supplied nuts into the slots on the side of the pod with the nylon ring facing the inside. Then slide the universal bracket over the back of the pod and thread in our 5/32 Allen screws and washers, leaving them hand tight to save room for adjustment later. Repeat for the other pod. We can attach our SS3 to the bracket by sliding the universal bracket underneath the mounting tab on the grill. Then drop in our carriage bolt and secure it with our washer, lock washer, and nut. Repeat for the other side. Align the back of the universal bracket with the back of the grill mounting tab. Center the SS3 to make sure the alignment to the front of the bracket is optimal. Using a 13mm wrench, secure both pods. Next, plug in the two-way DT splitter to both pods. Back at the vehicle, push the bracket with the pods into the grill slot, routing the wire up and over the radiator. Using the included hardware, push 4 bolts through the grill and align with the mounting tabs on the vehicle. Install the washers and locking nuts to each bolt, then use a 10mm wrench and a 4mm Allen key to tighten down, fastening until snug. Careful to not over-tighten. Inside the vehicle, disconnect the passenger seat belts by pulling the loop end through and out of the harness. Next, adjust the seat forward by pulling the lever towards you and pushing the seat up. With the seat forward, reach behind the seat and use an 18mm ratchet and remove 2 gold locking nuts. Next, adjust the seat all the way back and remove the 2 front mounting bolts using a 13mm wrench and ratchet. Once removed, lift the seat out and set aside. Remove the access panel along the passenger side console by gently pulling away from the retention tabs, starting in the left corner and set aside. Repeat for the forwardmost panel. You'll now have access to the battery. Use a 10mm socket to disconnect the positive lead and secure away from the terminal. Peel back the rubber cover on the bus bar and use a 10mm ratchet to loosen the positive and negative connections and add in the positive and negative leads from the harness. Tighten and reattach the rubber cover. Next, route the toggle switch and DT connectors. Do not route through the drive shaft. Bring them up behind the center console and leave for now. Run switch leads to the desired location, making sure to avoid any moving parts. You can connect your own switch or use the one provided. Confirm function before final placement. Using wire fisher, attach the DT connector and run it towards the front of the vehicle and through the firewall. With the connector pulled through, route the DT connector through the center access point. Plug the DT connector into the two-way splitter and feed any excess wire back to the firewall to be secured later. Once connected, reconnect the battery and test for function of the switch and aim to the desired position. Once aimed, tighten securely using a 5mm Allen. Finally, secure any excess wiring using zip ties and put everything back together the same way we took it apart. As you can see, with our Stage Series LED grille kit installed, not only will you have a dramatic increase in output performance, but you'll also add a ton of style to your X3 with the custom stainless steel grille included with this kit. If you're interested in picking up an LED grille kit for your ride or any of our other products, be sure to visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest and greatest products coming to the market, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.